Collaboration for Progress. AJW Group and Lilium N.V partner for global materials services and distribution. AJW Group, a world-leading independent aircraft component parts, repair, and supply chain solutions provider, and Lilium N.V, developer of the first all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL jet, have announced a strategic collaboration to develop global materials services and distribution. This partnership aims to support the Lilium Jet's global aircraft operations and Lilium's aftermarket services business, according to a Lilium company announcement. The collaboration will include the management of Lilium's eVTOL spares inventory, delivery of unparalleled warehouse and logistics services, repair and asset management, and AJW serving as the exclusive parts distributor for Lilium's worldwide customers. This partnership solidifies AJW's commitment to innovation and excellence in the next-gen aviation industry and supports Lilium's commitment to best-in-class customer service. Scott Symington, AJW Group's Chief Commercial Officer, commented on the partnership. Innovation is one of our core values at AJW, deeply embedded in the fabric of our operations. Our partnership with Lilium marks a significant stride towards realizing this vision and steering the industry towards a more sustainable aviation future. Sébastien Borel, Lilium's Chief Commercial Officer, added, "This is a very important step as we advance towards our planned entry into service in 2026 and a major milestone in the development of our strategic and comprehensive support offerings for our customers." AJW's proven world-class expertise in material management and exemplary warehouse and logistics services align seamlessly with our commitment to excellence. Lilium began production of the Lilium Jet in late 2023, following Lilium's design organization approval by EASA, evidencing that Lilium has the organization, procedures, competencies, resources, and demonstrated rigor required to certify aircraft according to the very highest safety standards. As the Lilium Jet enters into service and the global fleet size grows, Lilium is expecting material profit contribution in recurring revenue from its aftermarket service business,